Hi everybody, this is Challenge 027 and it's from France. I'm Cyril Hoster. I just finished my weekly live and I've been presenting this evening a new concept I've been releasing, which is a merge between dropshipping and network marketing. And I made Drop Network. I'm not sure about the way I would call it in English. So, okay, let me just ask you, what is your opinion about the best way to translate this drop relationnel en français? Because that's a merge of dropshipping and network marketing. What would be the best way to express that in English? Well, would you understand? Well, at least this exercise could be useful for you and for me. Just to discover a new concept, because I'm very sure that there's a lot of mompreneurs. There are a lot of people who need to find a way to do some online marketing. They need really drop shipping. They need something to get some more income in their lives, but they don't get the time. They don't get the time to get the skills. They don't get the SEO correct. They don't have the skills to build a website. So we can just use the internet and bring network marketing and say, okay, we will have one layer of network marketing in which you find your first customers and you get money as quickly as possible. And second one, you build your brand online. That takes time. And then when you find somebody amongst your customers who wants to do the same as you are doing, you start again with them. You find the first customers and you're taking them as a window in their war market. And when you find it now the time on when they don't know to speak anymore, you start doing branding with them and drop shipping with the product you already sell. And as long as you don't find somebody else who's ready to do the same, you just do drop shipping. And when you find another one, you just start a new cycle of quick, easy network marketing in war market. So you get the best part of network marketing, which is around, with the best part of drop shipping, which is you use websites and it's not your products, but you're not responsible of the customs. So that's my idea. That's the new concept I'm putting on. And it was quite fun because from visual image, I'm quite awkward, but I don't speak a lot with my voice in English. Thank you for hearing me. See you. Bye-bye.